Hello, this is Michael, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can create a page for a simulation that exists on a website other than Epicenter. So here we see a regular website, or a regular Epicenter simulation that's running on foreo.com/app, then the name of my account, which is mbean, and then the name of the project, which is April webinar, and then the name of this page. And this works like a normal page within Epicenter, normal simulation or application of some sort. Okay, so we've got some results here. And what I want to do is I might want to host this on my own web page, independent of Epicenter. But I still want to use Epicenter as the engine where the model is running and communicate with it via an API. So that's my alternative. If I go into Epicenter right now, I can see, here's my project for the April webinar. That's the name of this project. And I can see some model files and things. And in my interface here, for example, with this one that's called final.html, there's a section on, where is it? Yeah, here we go. A section on flow initialize, and it stipulates a channel, and then also says the model. And this works great if it's hosted on Epicenter, but we need to give it a few extra parameters if we're going to host it elsewhere. So here's the same page that's just sitting on my computer. It's sitting on my desktop in a folder on my desktop, and I've got these files in here. I've got this list, and what I need to add to it are a couple other things. Because this is going to be hosted off of Epicenter, I need to tell the channel here some other things about it. Namely, I need to tell the account, which is mbean for me, and the project, which I think was April webinar. Let me just confirm that. Yeah, I can see it here actually, April webinar. So I'll go back here and just confirm that I typed that correctly. And there's some comment here. And then I need to say the server, so I need to tell where this is being hosted so that it knows what APIs to use. And if you use api.foreo.com, that's going to tell it, and then you close it off with a comma here. So that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this. And this is actually sitting in a folder on my computer. And this is kind of an interesting example of running it now. I could copy this onto a web server, but I don't actually even need to do that. I can run it locally. I can run it on my own computer here. You can see it's file users mbean desktop. It's just running off of my desktop here, not actually connected to any web server. And I can run it here. There's some results, and I can move the slider around and change results and see new results. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Just one more time to show the page. Go to flow initialize, add these lines to it, account with the account name of your account, not mbean, the project name with the project that you are trying to connect to, and then put in the server information indicating that you want it to communicate with the Epicenter server to run the actual model that you have. And everything else can be left the same. All right, good luck.